YouTube background play. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can play YouTube in background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to play YouTube in background, there are two things. First of all, if you have YouTube Premium, things are much more easier. So if you have Premium, and I don't have it but I will show you, you can just come to your profile page and then you can tap the gear icon here, and then you'll come here where if you go to the general tab, if you have Premium, you'll find one of the options here that says picture in picture mode, which you can use to turn on picture in picture mode. And when you play a certain video on YouTube, you can also actually show the video. Whenever you minimize it, you can still play that video, or even when you turn off your screen, you will be able to basically find and play, still hear the song of that video. Now another is, let's say that you want to go ahead and then you don't have Premium. Now in my case, the only way I can achieve this is if I am basically using a Samsung device. Now in my Samsung phone, I have a feature known as pop-up view, which if I go to the recents panel, I tap the YouTube logo, I can open this YouTube app in pop-up view like this, which will allow me to at least play the video while I'm still using other application in the process, such as WhatsApp, let's say, or the Play Store. I can still use, and I can also minimize the size, and I can do whatever else I prefer in this case in order to play that certain video. This is my phone's feature. Depending upon which phone you use, you can also try looking for the certain feature. Now if you don't have pop-up view, you can also try split screen or something like that, which will allow you to use the app in split screen mode. So hope this video helped you as to how you can play YouTube in background. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.